Hey, what's going on today? I wanted to go over the Marsupial Little Joey Pet. This thing is super awesome. I'm going to move it down a little bit. You see the prize? Yeah, so this thing, super awesome, hands-free. Has some attachment points underneath, so you can put a gun down there. But let's go through what I got in here. I got a whole notebook. Big notebook, some stuff in it, and then it's all backwards. That should be like that. But yeah, I got my Glock, Benchmade 940 tucked away. My little O-light baton thing is super handy because you can make it secure. I can now work hands-free. This thing is super handy. And then it comes with another pouch in here. I got my AAA Design Transporter sleeve wallet. Yeah, this thing is super spacious. It has a lot of good internal dividers. It's a nice like parachute material, so it's super durable. Let me take it off and show you the back. So, you have a secret pouch. Everything's backwards in the camera. So, you can store a map back there. It's mesh, so it breathes. I was just bike riding and I wore it. I carry my gun when I bike ride. And so, yeah, it has these super nice, comfortable straps. That I'll show you how easy it is to get back on. Pretty easy. So it has some elastic back here that you can adjust. It's pretty comfortable. I would approve. It's going for $85 on Marsupial's website right now. So it and they have a padded mesh. I think this is the foliage or this is the wolf gray. There's a wolf gray color. If you need to get out of it, you can totally get out of it pretty quick if you're snagged up or something. Alright, that's my little gear review. Thanks for watching. Bye.